In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an appointment schedule in Google Calendar. This is a really handy feature that allows you to efficiently manage and organize your appointments directly through Google Calendar. So let's dive right in and get you set up in just a few easy steps. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Calendar. This is where our scheduling journey begins. Once you've opened Google Calendar, head over to the top left corner. You'll see a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you initiate the process of setting up your appointment schedule. Now, after clicking Create, you'll notice a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Appointment Schedule. This option guides you into the setup for creating your personalized appointment slots. Next, you'll need to enter the details for your appointments. These details are essential as they define the structure of your schedule. Start by inputting a suitable title for your appointments, select the duration for each session, and then choose the desired date and time that works best for you. Being thorough in this step ensures that your schedule appears exactly how you want it to. Once all the details are entered, click on Next. This button allows you to move on to additional customization options if needed. At this stage, if you wish, you can change your photo, set the meeting location, add a detailed description, and tweak any additional settings to better suit your needs. These options can enhance the professionalism and clarity of the invitation your recipients will see. After finalizing all your choices, move on to Save. Clicking Save ensures that all your preferences and settings are stored and your appointment schedule is ready to be shared. To make your appointment schedule accessible to others, locate it on the calendar grid. Once you find your appointment schedule, click on it, which will provide you with sharing options. You'll notice a Share button. Go ahead and click that and then select Copy Link. This link is your powerful tool for sharing this schedule with others. Finally, paste this copied link wherever you need to distribute your appointment schedule. It could be your emails, social media, or any platform you use to interact with your clients or colleagues. By sharing this link, you're providing an easy and efficient way for others to view and book appointments based on your specified availability. That's it. You've successfully set up an appointment schedule in Google Calendar. By following these steps, you can manage your time and engagements much more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.